Welcome to AhTech, your hub for agriculture technology. Ever wondered how millions of mangoes are harvested and turned into products worldwide? Let's dive into a high-speed journey from orchard to production. Careful planting begins the journey, with fertile soil, proper spacing, and irrigation systems ensuring strong roots, healthy growth, and high-yield mango production for global markets. Farmers like John use smart techniques, such as wire supports, to protect trees from strong winds. It may seem simple, but it dramatically improves stability and yield. A mango tree takes 2 to 3 years to mature, then within just 105 days after flowering, it produces fruit ready for harvest at scale. Picture the first light of day washing over the fields. In lowlands, farmers use simple bamboo tools to hand-pick mangoes with care, keeping each fruit perfect while letting others continue to ripen. Up in the highlands, long poles with nets speed up the process, making harvesting smoother and more efficient. These humble tools quietly power the entire operation. And here's something impressive. A skilled worker can harvest up to 1,000 pounds of mangoes in a single day. A true display of precision and endurance. Then everything shifts to high tech. At the sorting facility, advanced machines with rolling systems inspect every mango, removing unripe or damaged ones and ensuring only premium fruit moves forward to market. Enjoying this journey? Hit like and subscribe to AhTech to support us, and drop a comment to share your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. But the real magic kicks in here. Mangoes are blasted with high pressure washing, then heat treated to stop enzymes like polyphenol oxidase, locking in that bright color and rich, natural flavor. Then sorting begins. Mangoes are graded, carefully packed, and stored in cold rooms to maintain freshness, preserve quality, and extend shelf life for global distribution. And then, the star takes over. A high-performance mango crusher hits an incredible 99.5% efficiency, squeezing out nearly every drop of pulp while minimizing waste. Processing over 2,000 pounds per hour, this machine transforms raw fruit into pure value with unstoppable speed and industrial power. Not all mangoes are processed the same. Specialized knives with adjustable blades peel each fruit with incredible precision, minimizing waste. Then, high-speed slicers separate the soft flesh from the hard seed, a perfect balance between delicate fruit and powerful machinery. Next, the mango pulp enters a bubble washer. Air pressure and gentle cleaning agents lift away every impurity. Then comes vacuum degassing, removing excess oxygen to lock in color, flavor, and freshness for longer shelf life. Now, the transformation continues. Using cold press systems, mangoes are turned into pure juice, filtered, and bottled. Every bottle passes strict quality checks before sealing and labeling. And here's the wow factor. Up to 5,000 bottles are processed every hour with flawless accuracy. But innovation doesn't stop there. Ripe mangoes are sliced, frozen at ultra-low temperatures, then vacuum dried to remove moisture. The result is a crunchy, nutrient-rich snack that captures the full flavor of fresh mango in every bite, ready to reach global markets. Now, let's take it to the next level. Mangoes aren't just delicious, they're packed with vitamins A and C to boost immunity, natural sugars for energy, and potassium to support muscle strength. And here's the highlight. This mango cheese mousse cake blends creamy cheese with the tropical sweetness of fresh mango, creating a dessert that's both indulgent and naturally beneficial. A perfect mix of flavor, nutrition, and creativity in every bite. So, how do you enjoy mangoes? Fresh, juice, or snacks? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you love seeing how agriculture technology transforms simple fruits into amazing products, hit like and subscribe to AhTech for more incredible stories.